So we're going to go into the second C, collaboration. And Halley, if you want to unmute, I would love it if you could tell us a little bit about when collaboration skills are helpful to you as a vehicle maintenance manager at Killington.
So collaboration is incredibly important, and collaboration is another term for working together. So a lot of times, all of the mechanics, when there's a machine that's down, whether that be a truck or a snowcat or a four-wheeler, we're all working together to try and figure out what the issue is. Another reason why we work together is to make sure everybody's safe, because we do a lot of heavy lifting and working in small, tight areas where it's always nice to have an extra set of hands and eyes looking at you to make sure you're being safe. And another huge thing is it's great for coming up with new ways to do things and complete tasks.